Hey, how you doing? Hope everyone's fit and well. It's a bit more frost this morning, very cold, but it's been mild for a couple of weeks, I must admit. So I've been getting some bulbs in, and I'm going to start moving some roses around, I think, as well. But things in the garden are still trying to come through. Obviously we have the majority dying back, but we've still got a few smidges of life here and there. The crocosmia, I think it's crocosmia, I'll have to find out, but it does go a bit mad, starts dividing and making new bulbs very quickly, so I've got to split that lot and pot it up. I've even got some that self-seeded down here, look, coming out the side of a brick wall. So as I said, we're going to be moving some roses. This is the best time of year to do it because they go dormant. So sort of November to January is best time. Obviously, physically, it's going to be easier if it's a milder period for digging up, etc., making holes. If you've got a really hard frost-infested soil in January, it's going to take some work. So when it's mild over winter, between November and January, that's the best sort of time really. Now, I put this one in haste, totally the wrong place, doesn't get any light, it's shielded by the garage. Sun comes over east to west, so we're not getting the best out of it. So I'm going to move it more into a light area. Right, unfortunately I have taken some of the longer root off, but it's so matted into this soil that it was inevitable. All this lovely jasmine has re-rooted in the soil as well. I send a branch down and it self-roots. So I'll leave that there. Right, this needs cutting down to a nut just above a node, and then we'll see where we're going to move it to. It's all the old deadwood. That's the side shoot. Get the deadwood off there. Unfortunately there's two inner shoots coming in to the other stem, which probably isn't ideal. So I'll probably take that just above that shoot there, or sorry, just below that shoot there. And I don't know if I'll keep that one or not. Yeah, I think I will. And we'll get this in the ground. Something else I've got to move is this peony. There's a peony under here, believe it or not. See some buds coming already. But this peony, beautiful big head, I've forgotten the name of it. But it's been swamped again. My fault, because I put it in the wrong place. It's been swamped by this hazel or cob here. So I'm going to dig this up and again try and find another location. Got to be careful not to knock the buds. As usual, I didn't do my research on this, and I'm hoping that we can salvage this, but there's been quite a bit broken off there, so we'll see what happens. So I've got some Arminiacum, not sure how you pronounce it, commonly known as grape hyacinth, and I'm going to cut these back shortly anyway, all this hazel or cob, and I'm going to put these all around the edge and hopefully they'll grow through. So I've got some snowdrops in here as well, so I think the blue and the white will work well. So I'm using this device, this whole device. Generally I'll poke this down, as you can see, it's a cylinder with a point. I'll poke this down into the ground, move it around, pull the core out, put the bulb in, and then I'll push the soil back in. bird shit all over my handle. Yuck. That's because the feeder's above my head. Ugh. There's so many snowdrops that wherever I go to dig, there's loads of shoots already. Look at this. I've just pulled an old hollyhock stem out, a rotting old stem, because obviously they only last a few years. And as I pulled it out, look, it's shooting off the side of the stem. So I'll use that, replant it. So I've got two different types of tulips here. So the tulips are going all along this edge here. And to mix it up a bit, I've got Orange Princess and I've got Night and Day. So Night and Day, as it describes, is a sort of a black peach and apricot mix, and these are pure orange. Thanks for joining us again. Really do appreciate it. We're at that time of year where it's coming up for Christmas, so I just hope everyone has a merry, happy, stress-free, great time. If you can get out of the house, great. Try and seek nature where you can. And hopefully 2026, can you hear that? We need less of that. It's a high street and you've got people revving their engines and bursting down the high street in their cars. Really? Hey ho, each to their own. Anyway, happy Christmas everyone. We'll see you in the new year.